Welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Only a quick update because not too much has happened today. I wanted to show you the short-term bearish and also a short-term bullish interpretation of the wave count. At the moment, this is still my primary expectation here, in which I would expect price to follow this WXY correction to the downside. In the Y wave, that's where we are, and we deal with an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. We're basically now in the C wave, in which we have done a wave 1, a wave 2. We're now in the third wave. We should ideally get a fourth and a fifth afterwards. That's not guaranteed, depending on how the structure eventually is unfolding. So short-term bearish count would indicate that we should head very, very soon here to the downside. Price should stay below 26,820. Here, this wave 2 high. And as long as it's doing that, we should head down lower in a wave 5. And but to confirm that, really we need a break below the 25,310 level. Yeah, so it's just dancing on that level. Again, I will not rule out that the price has already bottomed in all of wave 2, because we did eventually get to where we wanted price to be, but looking at the structure, it would still suggest it could get one or two more lows. So yeah, this is the short-term bearish count. As long as price stays below 26,820, heading down lower in this structure, getting one more low or two more lows closer towards 24 to 24.5k. Then of course we've got the other count, which I showed you. Let me just open that actually, which is an alternative that I'm observing very closely, where we're not counting a WXY structure, but just an ABC of the April high. Where I'm looking at, 1 second, it's just loading. So there you go. Where I'm watching for this price action here, that we peaked in March, end of March, in a wave 1, A wave down, overshooting B wave, and we're coming down in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern and ending diagonal, which could actually be finished already, yeah, or nearly finished. So also here, maybe one more tiny low, that could be it, but it could already be finished. It doesn't need that one more low. But looking at the structure, I would find it less likely that it's already finished. Also here, one more squiggle lower, but that would be the count where we don't need two more lows. One more low would be fine, okay? Or even no more low. Yeah, could be done. And let me go back. I did close it, no, didn't. No, okay. So this is obviously the first count I showed you. What would happen if price now breaks above 26,820? Well, I thought about, is this here unfolding in some kind of a triangle? That's another possibility. So basically that this B wave, okay, is a triangle. And that would be an A wave of the triangle. A triangle consists of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. The B wave of the triangle, the C wave of the triangle, the D wave, and this could be an E wave, which could go all the way up to 27,420 roughly, okay? And then the B wave would just sit here. That's sort of short-term bullish, but still overall would lead to another low. I hope this is not going to happen, because then the C wave is still going to happen, and it would just mean more choppy price action. So it's not something I lean towards, but it would just mean, okay, if people ask, right, okay, we go above the 26,820 level, basically invalidate this yellow count, I would first probably lean towards it being a triangle. If it shows an impulse, then the low could already be in. But again, as I said before, I have no evidence at the moment that a low is in already. It could be, we just need to acknowledge that possibility now. I'd be happy if it is now. I wouldn't have been happy like weeks ago, or even a couple of weeks ago, when price hadn't completed the pattern. But now with the alternative count I showed you there in white, we could possibly argue a low is already in, so I'd be happy if it now rallies, but possibly still another low. That's what I'm looking for, right? And analysis is always based on evidence, so without seeing a confirmation that a low is in, I cannot just confirm it, right? It would be just guessing, but we're professional here, we're not guessing, okay? All right, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.